And it's Bonnie. Happy Monday evening. I am here with my friend and collaborator, Lenny Pinna.
Good evening, everyone.
And we have one more video tonight. And Lenny may be back tomorrow. We don't know yet.
Yeah,
for one more video.
We're not sure
yet. Playing it by ear, but he'll definitely be back later this month.
Yes.
With lots of fun. I was so excited because Tuscany Candle sent me some of their fall collection. Oh my goodness, is all I have to say.
I'm looking forward to this.
Oh, I am so excited. I really like Tuscany. If you go to Tuscany.com, it's actually, let me make sure the website's correctly. I'll put it on, I don't know if it's Tuscany.com or Tuscany Candle. I will look. Let's see, Tuscany Candle. They are at TuscanyCandle.com. I just wanted to make sure. And you can use the code Queen15.
Queen15
for 15% off. They did give me a code. And oh my gosh, lots of fun stuff happening. So we have an array of candles. I actually did a live on Instagram, which was really fun. And we have new fall. So which one would you like to pick? I'm going to have you hold it because I'm going to kind of go through the names of some of the
I'm going to go right for
You're going to go with the big one.
The big one. And it's so pretty.
It is. It's beautiful.
Oh, this is tri-colored in the back too.
Yes.
Look at that.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's all the way through. It's stacked.
I hadn't seen them from behind.
Yes. Isn't that nice?
Cashmere plum.
Those are called classic Tuscany candles.
Wow. Very pretty.
Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. The side notes I think are just on the front here.
Plum, sandalwood, and amber.
Yes.
I like how concise that is.
I know, isn't that nice?
And is it sort of like layered like that,
yeah,
like plum, sandalwood?
I think it's all.
You think the scent is all through? They just have to be different colored wax. Okay,
that's what I think.
Yeah, that makes sense. Why would you? Here's your plum
Here's
scent.
Your plum.
Here's your scent.
But I have a thing for ombre, like the stacked wax. Like that's like my favorite wax.
It's really pretty. Okay, so here.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that.
Isn't that pretty?
And immediately,
you get the scent.
Yeah, the plum hit me right away.
Yeah? Ooh, I can smell it from here.
That's nice. Yeah, and the sandalwood is nice support for it.
Oh, that is so pretty. That is pretty.
That's
I'm
a
gonna
nice,
actually
nice fall. Yeah, let's light it.
Let's light that up while we're doing some other ones.
Absolutely.
We have a little Tuscany party here. So in that jar style, they also have harvest pumpkin, hickory apple, apricot, and honey. Oh my gosh, I think I need to pick up that harvest pumpkin. I have a thing for harvest pumpkin.
What about apricot and honey?
Well, that sounds good. Well, I know. They all sound good.
That sounds different.
I know.
That sounds different.
I know. Oh my gosh. So it's beautiful lit back there. Look at that. Okay. I'm actually going to choose next. I'm going to go with this jar. This is actually really, really pretty. These are limited edition soy blend called Autumn Bliss. Farmer's Market apple cider, clove, and lemon zest.
Oh, just to brighten that up.
I know. Look at the little pumpkin on the lid. I have a thing for lids. This is incredible. It's absolutely delicious. I'm going to let you smell it.
Yeah, the packaging's nice. Lots of different aspects of fall.
It's a 3-wick.
That is really nice.
Isn't that nice?
Wow.
I know. I'm getting everything in that one.
Yeah, the apple cinnamon.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, the clove. Excuse me, apple clove.
There's Autumn Dreams, which is black cherry and amber oud. Autumn Morning, which is a pumpkin spice latte and fall foliage, along with this one. I really like that Autumn Bliss, though.
This is really good.
I know. I like that little lemon zest in there.
It just keeps it bright.
I know.
But it's really full of scent.
It is.
Oh, man.
That
apple clove is beautiful.
Okay, which one are you going to go for? The tin can?
I'm going to go, yeah.
You can go with the can. So cute.
We'll end with our ombre one again.
Okay.
Oh, this looks interesting. Oh, okay.
So these are actually, oh my gosh, they have cranberry shortbread cookie. These have recipes on the top. Look.
Okay, so should I?
Yeah.
You're doing the other ones. before I do this one?
No, you can do that
Okay.
one. I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited because they're
You're getting
gourmand.
ahead.
I'm getting ahead. Okay.
We'll start with the one we have right
I'll
in
be
front
good.
of us.
Okay, I'll be good. Okay.
Which is pumpkin, nutmeg, and creamy cheesecake. Wow. And she's also very right. There
There's
is
a
a
recipe
recipe for pumpkin cheesecake right on
Mm-hmm.
the top.
Exactly. So you can burn your candle and make some cheesecake.
Wow. Wow.
I love when I was doing the live. I was like, "Oh, this was so good."
The strength of this scent and the deliciousness of this scent. Pumpkin cheesecake. The pumpkin, the nutmeg, and cheese, all there. It is so.
This is so delicious. It really is.
Wow.
I love these. Oh my gosh.
Have I done Tuscan candles?
No, you
before?
haven't. Tuscany.
Tuscany candles.
Tuscany, yes. No, you haven't.
I'm impressed.
I know.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, they also have cranberry shortbread cookie, blueberry waffles. Oh, those look good. Oh my.
Wow. So these cans are nice.
A lot of people are asking. They have these at Mayer's. You can get them. I can order them online. They're out and about. Okay, the next one. I got a thing for these colors.
Yeah, it's
I
so
don't know
pretty.
why. It's so pretty. Okay, gold lid. This one is called Cinnamon Spiced Cafe, limited edition. This one is cinnamon, dark roast, and whipped cream.
Dark roast coffee.
Mm-hmm. So good. These, I'm really, really excited about these.
Oh, it does have like a little mocha.
Yeah, it's got a mocha look.
Look on top.
Mm-hmm.
This is, this is very balanced.
It is.
I would have thought the dark roast would have like, come through strong. No, it's all blended. I mean, the scent is blended really nicely. Ooh, hold on. What's that? Whipped cream. These are really good.
They have an incredible Halloween collection.
Dark roast with whipped cream and some cinnamon in it. Wow. It's really.
I know.
This
is so pretty.
It's interesting.
Soy blend.
These
are poured in the USA too.
This is a scent. You know how I usually talk about comes out at me or takes me in?
Mm-hmm.
This one is like right on this edge. Like there's parts of it that's coming at me.
Yeah.
And there's other parts taking me in.
and it's a combo.
And it's almost like one of those beautiful drinks that you like you smell it like it comes at you, but as you're drinking it, it goes in you.
Ooh,
you know what I mean? Like
yeah.
Like there's something that's coming.
I know.
It's coming out, but then it takes me in.
I know, and the spices in that one are perfect. They really are.
This is great.
Oh my gosh. They have another one called Autumn Moss, which is eucalyptus and sandalwood. And then they have Fire Amber and Saffron. Wow.
And
yes,
poured in the USA. Poured in the USA.
They are poured in the USA. Wow. The 2025 fall drop. They've got a lot going on for fall. So I'm so happy I got to sample each one of the candles. Now, I just wanted to pull one other fun fact. So that big one is premium marbled wax blend. So that's why it looks a little bit different. These are like a soy blend. This is it's called a marbled wax blend infused with essential oils. So I think just from looking that those probably have a little bit of the paraffin in them, which a lot of people really like paraffin, and then a lot of people like soy, but that's why you get that marbling effect on top. It looks a little different.
See. Got it.
But I've always loved that type of candle.
Oh yeah,
that is so pretty. I can smell that.
Oh yes.
Yes, that's really cranking. Ooh.
Wow.
Okay.
Cashmere plum.
I gotta say, I don't even know which one's my favorite. I really like them all.
Yeah. Let me. If I had to pick,
Oh my
what's
gosh.
that? Which one is that?
This is the Autumn Bliss.
Let me.
That one's so nice.
I think it might be the cheesecake for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is great.
They're all really good for different.
But here's the thing: is maybe it's just we've had a lot of pumpkin.
Yeah.
But this one really grabbed me
Okay.
in its strength of pumpkin with the right amount of nutmeg.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Yeah.
This is good.
I know. I love
This
this
is
one. I
this
really
is
like this one
good.
too. I like these little cans.
And the plum. You're right.
They're all good.
They're all
really
good. I think that
Their
one
own
really.
way.
I think that one
That
kind of
grabbed you.
wowed.
It
Kind of wowed
you.
me.
It
That's
wowed
all.
you.
They're
You've
all
been
good.
wowed.
This one was like wow.
Well, thank you so much, Tuscany Candle, for sending these. And don't forget, you can use my code Queen15 as a ring to it.
Queen 15.
Thank you so much for watching. And I think we're just going to enjoy this little candle here for a while.
Yes.
We will
Ooh.
see you guys
Ciao,
later.
everyone. Good night.
Bye-bye.